Hey Sunny Mamas, my name is Alexa and today we have a 15-minute strength and cardio class. Equipment for today, we're gonna need some dumbbells. Make sure you have your water, that way we're staying nice and hydrated as we go through this workout. We're gonna have 2 complementary exercises, so it's gonna be a little bit of a superset. So you're gonna see a strength and then a cardio to follow. So we're gonna see 90-second rounds. We're gonna see 2 rounds total. It's gonna be really exciting and fun. All right, please make sure you are cleared by a doctor before we work out, and we are getting to work, team. Let's start with a warm up. We're taking the feet hip width apart, shoulders back and down, arms are straight forward. We're gonna take it squat and then row. Squeeze the shoulder blades together, exhale, pull. Perfect. Driving the hips back like we're sitting in a chair. Now our cardio today is gonna be low impact because I want us to still think about healing pelvic floor without adding a lot of intensity to it. So think of today as cardio through movement versus cardio through impact. We got 2 more here. Perfect, last one, and rest. We're gonna stand up nice and tall. We got a big lateral lunge, all the way back up to center and switch, big lateral, up to center and switch. Alternating sides, sending the hips back. Perfect, you got it. Now we're gonna add a little imaginary bicep curl in the center. Lateral lunge, bicep curl. Lateral lunge, bicep curl. Perfect, you got it. 2 more here, 1 on each side. And last one. Beautiful, hands are gonna go behind the head, feet are hip width apart, send the booty to the back wall, back is flat, come down into this hip hinge, all the way back up to the top. From the side, send it back, exhale, lift. Inhale down, exhale up. We're thinking hamstrings and booty. Perfect, you got 2 more here. And last one. Standing up nice and tall, we have a big hip circle all the way around. Good, opening up the hips, warming up the joints. Perfect, we got it. 4 more here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Turning your toes to the corner of the room, alternating punches. I'm gonna try not to lose my bracelet. Perfect, you got it. Big twist, twist. Good, we got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. We're gonna take it squat, shoulder press. Squat, shoulder press, alternating sides. All the way down, all the way up. Perfect, we got it. Sending the hips to the back wall still. We got 2 more. And last one. Perfect, this time we're gonna go lateral lunge. You're gonna drop and straight up. Drop, straight up. Perfect, you got 2 more here. Last one. And switch. And lift, perfect. Good, we got 2 more here. And last one. Perfect, we're gonna finish because I'm in this 80s outfit. Little flash dance, little speed, go, 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 go. Option, just take it a little bit slower, alternate that pedal. We got 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. We're getting started with exercise 1. We're gonna need 2 dumbbells. We have a squat to bicep curl. Feet are gonna go hip width apart, shoulders back and down. Drop low into the squat, exhale up, bicep curl. We got 1 minute on the clock in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Squat, bicep curl. Since this is our strength movement, take your time, focusing on control. Exhale on that lift. Beautiful, shoulders back and down. So the reason why I have our hands go between the knees is because sometimes when our hands are on the outside of the knees tend to collapse. I want to make sure we're strong through the lower body and we're not losing that alignment through the legs. Good, you got it. Inhale down, exhale up. 30 seconds down, 30 seconds to go. Good, can we pull the shoulders back and down? Yes, and then really think quads and glutes as we lift up to the top. Perfect, you got it. 10 seconds left here, so keep going. Coming up next, we have 30 seconds of a thruster. Half squat, straight up overhead with the dumbbells. 3, 2, 1. Half squat, half squat. Good, heart rate's coming up. It's a power exercise. 1 movement from the bottom to the top. 15 seconds down, 15 to go. Good, just a half squat, I'm not too mean. Perfect, keep going. Coming up in 10 seconds, we have a curtsy lunge. We're gonna hit a tricep kickback, up and switch. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Curtsy, tricep kickback. Curtsy, tricep kickback. We're alternating sides, exhale, lift. From the side, curtsy, press back. With that curtsy lunge, back knee drops down 1 inch over the floor. Yes, you got it. And then really press the hands up to the sky. We got 30 seconds down, 30 to go. Now don't worry, I got some 80s moves for us coming up next. We are sticking with the theme. Can we drop 1 inch lower into that curtsy? Yes, you got it. Excellent, team. In 10 seconds, we're getting into this wide lunge position. We got reaches, opposite arm to toe. Yes, we're taking it old school. 3, 2, 1, 30 seconds. Let's go. Good, still keeping it low impact, reaching from one side to the other. Can we drop down 1 inch lower? If you're feeling your low back, take it up a little bit higher, but still keep that movement strong. Yes, alternating punches. We got 10 seconds left here. Coming up next, deadlift hinge. Row, lengthen, exhale up, restack. Hamstrings, glutes, a little bit of back. 3, 2, 1, deadlift. Row, lengthen, reset. Deadlift, row, lengthen, reset. We're back into the strength work. Take your time. Focus on control. Mind-body connection. How can I focus more on using the hamstrings, the glutes, and the back as I move through each part of this exercise? Good, driving through the heels, send the booty to the back wall. Excellent, we got 30 seconds down, 30 seconds to go. Good, all the way up on that row. Hands go right between the rib cage and the hips. Perfect, team. Coming up in 10 seconds, our next cardio block. We're sitting low. We got a knee drive, alternating arm punches. Last 30 seconds of the cardio in round 1. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good. Now, if it's too easy, drop it down a little lower. We only have 15 seconds on one side, so we're thinking quad glute on that standing leg. Nice, team. We're gonna switch legs. Whew, if I don't lose my balance in 3, 2, 1. Last 15 seconds in the block. We got that recovery coming up next. Yes, you got it. Couple more strong ones. 5. Last 3, 2, 1, and rest. Excellent. Drop the dumbbells off to the side. Quick water break. We got 1 minute to breathe before we get into our next round here. So coming up in round 2, we're gonna see the same thing, but this time we're gonna focus a little bit more on pelvic floor recovery. So as we breathe through it, inhale, release, exhale, we're gonna think all 4 points of the pelvic floor coming together and lifting. So we're still moving through the squat, but we're just adding that pelvic floor work. It's okay to get a little bit confused. It's okay to just move through this at the best you can. Each one of us is at a different level in our postpartum recovery. So just doing the best you can, listening to your body where you need more recovery time or more time to breathe. We got 10 seconds. Coming up next, we're going back into the squat with the bicep curl. We're adding that pelvic floor work in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Squat, exhale up. Now exhale, contract pelvic floor. Release, contract. Nice. You got it. Last time we're going to see each of these exercises, so we're making them strong all the way through. Good. Remember, all 4 points of your pelvic floor are coming together and lifting. Good. You got this. Even if it's a little bit awkward. Awkward's okay. Painful's not. You got 30 seconds down, 30 seconds to go. Perfect. Yes, there's no changes to the second round. I just want us to think about activating pelvic floor with each movement. Beautiful, you got it. 10 seconds left here. Coming up next, half squat, thruster. Heart rate's gonna come up. I do want us to feel almost breathless by the end of this. 3, 2, 1, thrusters. Good, now tap back into pelvic floor. Inhale down, exhale, contract. 15 down, 15 to go. Excellent, coming up in 10 seconds. Back into the curtsy lunge with the tricep kickback. No surprises on this one. In 3, 2, 1, curtsy tricep kickback. Now think inhale, release. Exhale, contract, you got it. Release. Yes. Good. Release pelvic floor. Contract, keep it strong. Nice. 30 seconds down, 30 seconds to go. Really press the dumbbell up to the sky, all the way back up to neutral. Yes, you got it, team. Take your time, especially if your balance is still affected. Just really focus on control all the way up. We got 10 seconds left here. Coming up next, our favorite. We got those little leans with the alternating punches. This time your challenge, get lower. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds, let's go. This reminds me of a little bit of a thriller move. Yes. Good, think about pelvic floor. Contract, contract, contract. You got 15 down, 15 to go. Reminder, come up higher to listen to your body. If it's getting a little bit tough, challenge, go a little bit lower. Coming up next, deadlift, row, lengthen, reset. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Release pelvic floor. Exhale, contract pelvic floor. Nice. Release, contract. Beautiful. Focus on control. Breathe through it. Even if you get confused with the breathing, think exhale, contract. Inhale, release. 30 seconds down, 30 seconds to go. We are in our last minute of work. Yes. Restack that spine, so make sure you stand up all the way, not necessarily so far forward, just restack back in neutral. Beautiful, you got 10 seconds left here. Coming up next, old school knee drives. We're sitting low, 15 seconds on one side. Emptying our tank right to that finish line. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, 15 seconds each side. You got it, can you drop down 1 inch lower? Yes, you can. Couple more strong reps on this side, driving through that heel, eyes up, chest up. Good, we switch in 3, 2, 1, switch, pull. You got it, emptying your tank. You got 10 seconds. You can see that finish line. Nice, team. 5, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Excellent. Drop those dumbbells off to the side. Whew. Roll the shoulders back and down. Excellent job, team. Breathe. Good, you got 2 more here. Last one. Excellent, we're gonna take both hands behind, lift it up nice and tall, reversing that posture from the week of nursing, just lifting and breathing through. Excellent, release. We're gonna flex that foot a little forward fold, stretching out the hamstring, but keeping that pressure off the low back. And coming back up, switch, flex, little fold, nice. And coming back up to neutral, we're gonna take the toes out, point them to the corners of the room, drop into a deep squat. Releasing that low back by dropping a little bit into it, or staying upright if that's what feels right for you. Perfect, team, you got it, breathe. Excellent, we're gonna straighten out both legs, hang out in this forward fold, grab your elbows, rock side to side, release your low back. Excellent. Release the arms, roll on up one vertebrae at a time. When you reach the top, we're gonna roll the shoulders back. We're gonna take the right arm up and just a little lengthen up out of the spine. Think about a string out of the top of the head, the bottom of your feet. Just kind of lengthening you out. Good, keeping that pressure off the abs. Release and switch. And coming back to the center, beautiful. You got one deep breath in, finishing strong, and exhale, release. Great work, mamas, you did it. My name is Alexa. I'll see you guys next time.